Good morning, first graders. We are on theme 6, week 3, day 3 of our KAM blueprints. The story for the week is The Red-Eyed Tree Frog. The theme concept: real and imaginary animals have all kinds of adventures. Strategy: predict and infer. Skill: making predictions. Okay, today we're going to get our stretchers out. First word is going to be beach. Let's stretch it out. B-E-Ch. Word beach. Next word is going to be cow. K-ow. That's right, cow. Next word is going to be swim. And word. 2 more words. Next word is going to be fish. And word. And last one, time. And word. Okay, let's go on to letter names. Letter, 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 letter. Okay, irregular words. Ooh, let's do this one. I'm going to do this in a robot voice. My turn. Word, far, F-A-R, far. Your turn. Word. Spell, far. And word. My turn. Word, forest. Ooh, let's do it in a squeaky voice, like the mouse of the forest. My turn. Word, forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. Your turn. Word. Spell forest. And word. My turn. Word, now. N-O-W. Now. Your turn. Word. Spell now. And word. My turn. Word, through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Through. Your turn. Word. Spell through. Word. My turn. Word, what. W-H-A-T. What. Your turn. Word. Spell what. And word. Ooh, let's do find in a whisper voice. My turn. Word, find. F-I-N-D. Find. Your turn. Word. Spell find. And word. My turn. Word, there. T-H-E-R-E. There. Your turn. Word. Spell there. And word. My turn. Word, moves. Ooh, maybe we'll do some claps. Moves. Here we go. Moves. M-O-V-E-S. Moves. Your turn. Word. clap out the word moves as you spell. And word. My turn word climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. Your turn word. Spell climb. And word. Okay, letter sounds. Don't forget to say the sound out loud. Sound. 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 Okay, and now we are on to blending. Here we go, day 3. Sound E. Sound T. Blend eat. Word eat. Sound. That's right, you should have said W. Sound. Long A sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Did you say wait? Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. That ending sound. Blend. Word. Along. Good. Like along came a spider. Awesome possum. Great job.